Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku. This will be number 9339. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Well, could be an hard one, could be an easy one. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars Sudoku? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Single box is always a 1. You see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me see. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see 1 quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the box, the inside box is always a 5. This is the inside box of the L shape. Okay. Then, do we have more? No quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here anymore. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape or that shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Here we have an L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Where you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. That box can also not be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then well, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well, These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround a 4 can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left 4 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 4. Okay. Then 1 and 2. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this W area shape should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because give me 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 2. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left now for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Alright. Now we have a 1 there. So this can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 5. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 1 and the 5. Well, let me mark those 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 is connected with the box. Should be also 1 and the 5. But we already have 1 there. So it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. Connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left now for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. Well, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Well. And the pencil is not working anymore. Come on. Pencil. Yeah. Well, I'm back again. Yes. Let me see. These 3. Wait. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then mark those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 here. So it can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. No, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be in, the 3 goes there. Then 3, 4, 5, 1, and a 2. Well, this box, I think it's a 1 because it can be 2. Can be 3 or a 4. We have 3 here, double 3 there, double 4 there. And can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers the 1 and the 4. I cannot place the 1 here because we have a 1 over there. So this should be a 4, and that box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. We go up. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have 1 now, so this can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well, please with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.